And new state labor laws are going into effect starting tomorrow. One aims to curb wage gaps by requiring employers to disclose pay ranges and keep records of pay histories. Another is going to regulate electronic workplace surveillance, adding new notice and privacy requirements for employees. A third will ban non-compete agreements for healthcare professionals, designed to boost job mobility and staffing options. Lawmakers are also looking to modernize workplace substance use testing rules. Another proposal will tighten safeguards around paid family and medical leave insurance, including new bond requirements and limits on employers pooling risk.